Hi friends, welcome to Commerce Bytes. We are here with the next set of questions from the previous year question paper. So let's move to the question. Question number 1. Which among the following has no time limit? Options are standardized achievement test, diagnostic test, unit test, and option D, performance test. The answer here is option B, diagnostic test. Let's have a brief description of these four tests. Achievement tests are designed to measure the knowledge and the skill of the students learned in a school or to determine the academic progress they have made over a period of time. Diagnostic test is a test that helps the teacher and learner identify the problem that they have with their language. At the start of the course, the teacher gives the learner a diagnostic test to see what areas of language need to be in a syllabus. Unit test is a test which is constructed, administered, and assessed by a teacher after teaching a particular unit to the students. Unit test is an evaluation tool for measurement of pupils and knowledge achievement and to improve by giving a feedback. Performance test is a test that is a psychological test which require a testee to actually perform a task or activity rather than simply answering the question. Its purpose is to ensure greater fidelity to what is being tested. It may involve minimal use of paper and pencil. For example, assembling a puzzle, placing pictures in a correct segment, driving license test, shorthand writing test. These are the examples. Next question. In group investigation model, the role of teacher is: options are organizers, plan for presentation, option B, generate questions and sort them, option C, presenting the content, and option D, locate information from the source. The answer here is option A, organize the plan for presentation. Let's have a brief picture of group investigation model. Group investigation model is a cooperative learning strategy that places students in group to investigate a given topic. Like other cooperative learning strategy, it uses students' help and cooperation as a major learning vehicle. Group investigation is a organizational approach that allows a class to work actively and collaboratively in small groups and enable students to take an active role in determining their own learning goals and process. So here the role of teacher is organize, plan for presentation. That is option A. Next question. An advanced organizer will help. Options are to direct students' attention to import points, to relate the ideas to be presented. Option C, to remind students about relevant information, and option D, to give opportunity to move on to the concept. Here the answer is option D, to give opportunity to move on the concept. Advanced organizer helps teachers present information so that students will better understand and remember it. It can be defined as a tool used to introduce the lesson topic and illustrate the relationship between what the students are about to learn and the information they have already learned. So here the option D, to give opportunity to move on, is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is not included in McCormack and Yager taxonomy? Options are knowledge, option B, application, option C, creativity, and option D, evaluation. Here the answer is option D, that is evaluation. Next question. Formative evaluation is not for. Options are improve the course content, option B, adjust teaching method, option C, improve student learning, and option D, assigning the student grade. The answer is option D, assign student grade. That is option D. Formative evaluation is not for assigning student grade because Formative evaluation is an evaluation taken at a varying interval throughout a course to provide information and feedback that will help improve the quality of the student learning and the quality of the course itself. The goal of formative evaluation is to monitor student learning, to provide ongoing feedback that can be used by instructors to improve their teaching and by students to improve their learning. Example, asking students to submit one or two sentences identifying the main points of the lecture. Moving to next question. Which among the following is the best measure of variability? Options are mean deviation, quartile deviation, range and standard deviation. Here without any doubt I can say that it is standard deviation. Let's have a brief description of standard deviation. Standard deviation is a measure of amount of variation or dispersion of a set of values. A low standard deviation indicates that the values tend to be close to the mean of a set, while high standard deviation indicates that the values are spread over a wide range. So here, standard deviation is the best measure of variability. The next question is, most important stage in diagnosis is. Options are finding the nature of difficulties, finding the cause of difficulty, option C, planning remedial program, and option D, using remedial measures. Here the answer is option B, finding the cause of difficulty. If we are having a problem, the main and the most important section of diagnosis is from where did we have the wrong path. So here the answer is finding the cause of difficulty. From where did we take the wrong deviation? Which of the following statement is correct? Options are a reliable test is always valid, a reliability is not required for the standardized test, a valid test is always reliable, and validity is not an essential criteria of a standardized test. Here the option is option C, valid test is always reliable. With this note, we are concluding. Till my next video, keep on preparing for your exam. If you like this video, please click on the like button and also please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.